I've knitted this gauge swatch in stockinette stitch with a couple of rows of garter stitch at the start and end and a couple of stitches of garter stitch at the start and end of each row. This just helps the swatch to lay flat, so it makes it a lot easier to measure. So to measure your swatch, you're going to take your measuring tape and lay it across the centre of your swatch. For most patterns you'll need to be able to measure a 4-inch area, but for this tutorial I've just knitted a smaller swatch just to demonstrate. Each of these little V's is one stitch, so that's what we're going to be counting. So lay your tape measure along a row of these V's, and then I'm going to use just one of these blocking pins to count each of my stitches more easily. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a half, and that's how many stitches I have in 2 inches. Now I need to measure how many rows I have within 2 inches, so I've turned my tape measure the other way and I'm following this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's what my gauge is for this swatch.